think I hit a shell. I'm doing that. I'm doing that, Dad.
All right, Ray, go for it.
Dad, here.
Kind of slippery over here. Oh, that was nice.
All right, Ray.
Real quick, just get in. Come on. Just put your whole body under.
Hey, Dad.
You'll be less cold.
What?
if you do it.
I might do it. Dad, are you gonna go in?
There he goes. He went for it. All right.
Hey, Dad. If you go in, I'll go in.
All right.
I'll go in. We'll both
Are you
go
going
in.
first so I can video you and then I'll jump in?
Are you recording us?
Yep.
I would have loved to live up here as a kid. Coming in, McGuire.
Oh, yeah.
Here goes Evan.
There's a big rock right
It's getting ready. You can just go in your boxers.
Okay.
Here.
Whatever. Are you right back in there?
Come on in, the water is coming.
Oh, that's cool.
Ray, don't. Let him just jump in. Go ahead, Evan. Ray. Oh. All right, Evan, go.